Need to identify registered email accounts from a large email list? Global Email Registered helps check email addresses in bulk and identify registered email account results when detection data is available. This helps businesses clean email lists, filter contact data, and prepare better audience data before outreach or campaign planning. Visit NumberCheck.ai and explore the available email verification and account detection products. Click Get Started to create a new account or sign into your existing NumberCheck account. Before starting a global email registered detection task, make sure your account has enough credits available. If additional credits are required, please refer to the top-up tutorial. Go back to the product list. Under the Others category, find Global Email Registered and click Buy Now. Upload a TXT or CSV file containing the email addresses you want to check. One email address per line is recommended. Click Start Detection to begin checking the uploaded email list. The system will process the email addresses and return Global Email Registered results when available. Once the detection task is completed, open the results page to view the task status and result summary. Review the results and identify registered email accounts from your uploaded list. Valid results refer to the total number of registered email accounts. Click Download to save the complete Global Email Registered detection results for further filtering and analysis. The exported file contains available Global Email Registered detection results for the uploaded email list. Valid results refer to the total number of registered email accounts. These results can help businesses filter email lists, clean contact databases, and prepare better audience data before outreach or campaign planning. Visit NumberCheck.ai to start checking Global Email Registered results.